is Heather at Fairview Garden Center, and now it's time for some fall container garden recipes. So Chance is going to put together some container gardens for you. He does all of our custom container gardens here at the Garden Center that are our grab and goes. So we're going to show you some of our favorite combinations for early fall all the way to late fall, and even some window boxes. So the first rule of thumb you want to remember with container gardening is fill your soil all the way up to almost the top of the pot, because as you water, the soil is going to go down and lose air capacity. So you want to make sure you have plenty of soil in there. You want to choose your favorite colors, know your sun exposure, think about colors and textures, and choose a thriller, filler, and a spiller. Your thriller is what's going to be the most eye-catching thing in the pot. Filler, something that's going to fill around, and a spiller, something to trail over the edge. Those are our good, quick and easy tips for a container garden, but Chance is going to whip these together for you. Thanks for watching our videos. We hope we shared some useful information for you. We encourage you to come by and see us at Fairview Garden Center, or visit us at fairviewgardencenter.com for hours of operation, contact information, and lots of more tips and tricks on our website. We are located off of Holly Springs Road between 1010 and Penny Road. We've been here for over 45 years. We'll be here for many more, and we're here to help you with all of your gardening needs.